Hi Brenda, my name is Jessica. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I'm going to go over a few tips on how you can improve your web presence on your own. The first tip I have for you is about content. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized, and this does include the words that your images are saved as. To rank above your competitors in the search, you will need to have more content than they do. And you can also use your content to work in the keywords you would like to be found for. So sometimes when you go through a site, you'll see like your wording in bold. Typically those are keywords. This here is not necessarily a keyword though, it's really just a phrase. A keyword would be like a search term. So someone searching fencing company Albuquerque, that would be a keyword. Okay, so you can work those things into your content, that way you're more likely to be found for them. So when you're competing in the realm of content for ranking purposes, all you do is you take an estimate of your word count and an estimate of your image count, and you compare it to the competitor you're trying to outrank. So for this purpose, I've chosen Valley Fence Company. They're one of the top competitors in the area. So you just pull up their site, scroll through, get an image count, get a word count. There are word counter softwares out there, they're free. And it'll give you an idea of how much work you need to put into your homepage. And we're not comparing layout or design. It's literally just the number of words and images, okay? So that's that part. The next thing I look at when ranking a site is citations. So citations are merely business listings in directories. You want to have your business information, name, address, phone number, as it appears in Google, listed in as many relevant directories as possible. A few examples of directories are Yelp, the Yellow Pages, and the Better Business Bureau. These are paid listings, but there's plenty of free directory listings out there. And these are relevant to your ranking in the map section of a search. So if we look at this local search here, say you wanted your company to be in one of these 3 spots under the map. You'd have to get your information listed in more directories than these competitors here. And the tool that I use to do that is called whitespark.ca. Basically you go in, plug in the company you're trying to outrank, see which directories they're listed in, get your company listed in them, and then go out and find some extra directories. That way you're beating them. And then the last tip I have for you is about backlinks. Backlinks will give your website trust and power from Google, and they are what push your website to the top of the search results in the organic section. So if I scroll down here, this is the start of the organic section, and this is the #1 spot. To get here, you have to have the most high authority backlinks going to your site, and that just means that they're coming from trusted sources by Google. Now, a backlink is just when a website is referencing another website. It's like networking. So the more websites you have referencing your website tells Google that you're relevant, you're trustworthy, and you're legitimate, okay? I also want to note here that not all backlinks are created equal. So if you're getting them from free sources, typically they provide very little to no power to your site. They won't hurt your site. They're just not helping it in a big way either. So let's look at an overview here. I put your website into this tool that I use, Ahrefs, and it just gives me an estimate. Okay, so your Google Analytics probably says something different, but I can see that you have 230 backlinks across 33 websites, and that you're being found for 22 keywords. So keeping these numbers in mind, let's look at the competitor. Valley Fence, which holds that #1 spot, has 851 backlinks across 121 websites, and they're being found for 299 keywords. So my point in showing you this is for you to see that when you're being found for more relevant keywords, and you have that backlink profile being built up, the traffic to your website is going to increase, and therefore your revenue will increase. And this also goes for whenever you want to expand to a new area. You would do the same things. Compare your site to the locals in the area. So I hope the information is useful. If you have questions over it, you can reach out to me. My name is Jessica. My phone number is 623-233-0357. Thank you.